Let us begin with chapter number 11, Air and Water. This is video 1, and in this video we'll be learning about air. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. You know that moving air is called wind. When wind blows gently, it is called breeze. But sometimes wind blows very strongly. It is called storm. Storms are harmful. They cause great damage. Now, what does air contain? Air is a mixture of different gases. It also contains water vapor, dust particles, and sometimes smoke and germs. Air contains many gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. All living things need oxygen to live. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants need carbon dioxide to prepare food. Nitrogen is important for the growth of plants. We hang wet clothes to dry. The heat of the sun changes the water in the clothes into water vapor. This water vapor gets mixed in the air, and that is why air contains water vapor. Dust particles. When you see carefully a beam of light entering a dark room, you will see small particles floating. These are dust particles. Smoke and germs. When we burn anything, smoke is produced. Vehicles give out lot of smoke. Hence, there is lot of smoke in the air. When we sneeze or cough, we release germs into air. Now, uses of air. All living things need oxygen gas, which is present in the air, to breathe. Plants need air to make food. Oxygen, which is present in air, helps in burning. Air is used to fill tires. Air helps birds to fly. Air also helps ships to sail. Moving air, that is wind, helps to run windmills. These windmills are used to pump water and generate electricity.